Well, tonight, what to name a country?
Bueno, so we're in Wrexham, North Wales.
Wrexham, me going maybe Wales, Wrexham, going for England, Bristol, Cornwall, no far away for destination. This one films, 2020.
Yep.
Me talk very, very strong because films too much volume. My friend
Matt
Matt
and family.
family 1 year, 2 years souvenir me Pembroke.
Yes,
No Pembroke.
3 years ago in Porthmadog we came across you.
Porthmadog. Me going June, July, going America for Atlantic. America swing me. Oh no, really crazy, no possible. Sorry, me no have experience swing. Where security water? Never. Big boat, ram. Big parachute for windy.
So sail.
Me, Matt et
Family.
Fabri, very welcome for me. Me, 6 decks ago, 7 decks ago, 6 decks ago, 7 decks ago. Me, big film, BBC News, television for Washington. 6 decks ago, very famous, hein? Oh, Léon. Oh, big star.
So you recently starred in the news, the BBC News, recently, 6 days ago.
Yes, 6 years ago.
So we can Google Baruna Maffei on the BBC News in July 2020, and you'll have some comments and views there.
Yes, exactly. Me, 8 years ago, touring finish, big Radio Paris, one touring finish everywhere, Ireland, Scotland, Germany, France. That way, come back, phone radio, 1 year radio, Belfast, BBC, 8 years ago, interview for BBC. 9 years ago, big film Germany, big camera for me, Germany.
So you had a big television part in Germany.
Oh yes, a long time, 8 years.
So eight years ago we had some good coverage in Germany.
Probably more 9 years.
Okay.
Me, Chichester, 9 years and a half. BBC, Chichester, big camera for me.
So you had more news coverage in Chester, UK, for more BBC news coverage.
Yes, Mark, exactly. Me, project going America.
So your project at the moment now is to reach America. And you like to go on yourself on steam using a rowing boat or a yacht and cross the Atlantic on a 3,000-mile trip.
Yes, me similar goal to that one.
And you're going to fund it using some of your family heirlooms.
Diamonds, have a look.
Yeah.
Diamonds, very expensive. Lot of money. Diamonds, gold for that one. Chain for that one. Shop, no excuse me, hein. Look, no have money, no good, have money, yes, very well. 1,000 and a half, 1,018, probably 16. 1,000 diamonds, spring.
We should keep this private just to make sure for your safety continuing on.
Diamonds. Anyway, me, Bruno continue cross England. Past Wistria,
Wrexham.
Redson,
Yep.
Redson, me, very lucky, possible go back England, August.
August.
Very indispensable, very lucky, good chance for me because Atlantic. Big parachute for Atlantic.
On the sail. Yeah.
Ram. Music for marins pêcheurs. Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
So you will look to travel to Cornwall, find passage to America, hopefully under your self-esteem, on your own rowing energy, and whilst you're on your boat, you'll entertain yourself with that beautiful song. Oui?
Oh yes. Matt, me looking for lot of biscuit, lot of box of fish, lot of crepe.
So you need some dry goods and canned foods.
Oh,
So
yes.
you like some people to help you along the way with some canned goods and dry goods for your journey.
Yes, very indispensable organisatit.
People can donate this. Yeah.
Very big expérience indispensable touring many years, touring Europe. Touring Europe very well. 14 years, probably no far away on Earth 1 billion thousand miles under 67 maybe no far away billion thousand.
So you've done nearly 67,000 miles.
More probably,
More than
Matt.
that.
Oh yeah, Matt.
So that would mean you have circumferenced the Earth nearly twice, or possibly 3 times. So 33,000 miles around the Earth, and you've done it twice.
No, because
More.
Probably more. What to name on Earth a billion thousand?
So 500,000.
500.
So you've done 50 million miles.
50
million miles.
Yes, exactly, Matt. Yeah.
So that's a fair amount. So that is
Yeah.
that's to the moon and back a very few many times.
Oh yeah. Because big experience, very indispensable.
16 years on the bike, everyday cycling. You've done England twice. You've been around Europe, and you've been backwards and forwards to several different countries, and you've clocked up more miles than one could imagine.
Yeah. Me have a big experience. Very indispensable big experience. Me talk experience, oui, this one experience. Expérience orientation. Very intelligent expérience orientation to where I go in selon imagination.
Right.
Looking for lot imagination. Imagination.
Yep.
Very simple imagination. Very nice imagination.
Very nice.
Looking for be careful because England, Scotland will use lot of bandits.
Right.
Crash of 1 minute because people England have serious problems. Me have a look at television. Fun people, bandits, basic station. Fun. Goodbye. Station risquée. City centre risquée. Pub risqué for me, very aggressive pub.
So you found that when you was in Scotland and Northern England, there was a lot of aggression in the last couple of months.
Yeah, because Tout croyait de moto. Everywhere, hein? Matt, me idea, 10 conditions. Intuition very good. Imagination for problem next door. Imagination. To that now, no to that dark way. Now, imagination for problems.
Right.
And imagination. Sometimes people England very suspicious. England, Scotland. Well, you're very suspicious.
So in the last few months, you've had a difficult time touring. People have been suspicious and a bit wary of you in touring, which is understandable given the current climate.
Oh, yeah.
So tonight you are heading towards.
Tonight they go in.
So you got Wrexham now, Wrexham City coming, and then after that, that will be Shropshire, and then through Shropshire you will enter Worcestershire and carry on towards Bristol.
Yes, turn around probably Wales.
Yep.
And going for a bigger river for
the River Severn. So you have the River Severn.
Yeah.
So you can follow that to a degree. You've got Montgomery Canal, which you can follow down for a certain amount of time to get towards Bristol.
Yeah, me, motorbike people stop at Grandebot. Me, talk for me. And going for that way.
Over the footbridge into Wrexham City.
Exactly. Me, I don't know. Me have a tent.
Yeah.
Probably tent.
Camping,
no Porsche church.
Yeah, there's a church in Wrexham, but keep going, and there's some more secluded churches.
Yeah.
Which will offer a bit more safety.
Yeah. Me church no indispensable tent because coronavirus. No indispensable tent because rector people come in a church, come in a cemetery, very suspicious. Caution.
So you've had a difficult time using the cities and the places of rest in the last few months. So it's made bicycle touring a little bit more harder. So I think you've had what everyone else had. You know, we found tougher times during last things.
Yeah.
But you still keep pedaling.
Yeah.
And you still keep going.
Yeah. Well, anyway, me do like it in England. Every time people talk for me, how are you? Where are you going? Very busy package. Oh, yes, sir, lady, yes.
So you get a lot of conversation and discussion about what you're doing.
Oh, yeah, sometimes a long conversation because people don't understand where you going, where been me sometimes talk for conform Scotland.
Yeah. So they're interested in your journey. They want to know where you've been and how long you've been on the road.
Matt. Yes. Thank you, Matt, for biscuits.
No, you're welcome. It's been a pleasure to come across you. I saw you 3 years ago, and that was great. I admired your journey then.
Yeah.
And I saw you travelling through my village, and I was very keen to stop and talk to you again. And it's been interesting hearing where you've been since and where you plan to go.
Yeah. Oh, Matt, excuse me. Looking for address.
Yes, we can sort it out.
Me have a book. Very welcome, Bruno.
We'll do so. So you want me to sign your book for you?
Yes, a very historic fun. Have a look at two people in England. Because a professional reporting.
Yep.
Reporting.
Okay.
And well, anyway, thank you very much, Matt, for film. When film for YouTube, when?
So today we are on the 12th of July.
July.
12th of July,
Oh, very
2020.
well.
So
Oh, very
Sunday the 12th of July,
Oh, yes.
2020.
Well, goodbye, Matt. Thank you very much for reporting.
No problem, sir. Au revoir.
Au